up, everybody? It's your boy Danny, and this is part 2 of the Etsy strike. All right, y'all. So yesterday I touched on a bit about the Etsy strike and how it could impact your business and things like that. Today I kind of wanted to touch on it again. I had a question on my Instagram about the cost of doing business, the premium that you're paying Etsy, and why is that important? Look at it like this. It's depending on how many views you get. Say your store gets 200 views a day. Now, whether you're in a shop right now or you're in your home, in a small business, wherever you're at that you do business, imagine if 200 people walk by your store right now, and they just walk by. That's 200 people, and let's say half of them decide to come in. So now picture 100 people sitting in your shop, your store, your living room, your garage, wherever it is that you're doing business at. Then you have to talk to those people. You have to sell your products. You have to show them. You have to, you got to sell it. Okay. That's what you got to do. Now, where do these people come from? How did you get them there? Did you post an ad? Did you put a sale? What did you do to get them? Whatever that step was that you needed to do in order to get those 200 people to walk in front of your store, that's the premium. That is what you're paying for. That's what you're looking for. You need that foot traffic. I'll say you're at like a local market or a local fair or a local swap meet. Let's do a swap meet, for instance. There's one right up the road. It's an indoor swap meet. It's $600 a month. You get 3 days a week. You get a 10 by 10 booth, and you get their foot traffic. You're paying the premium for that foot traffic, for the unique 35,000 people that walk through the doors of that particular venue. You're paying for that foot traffic, a premium to get customers to walk by your stuff and look at it. So it's still up to you to make the sales. Same on Etsy, you got to have good stuff going on. We'll talk about that in another video, but you're paying a premium to have that traffic in front of your store. If you really take into account the fees that Etsy charges you, depending on what you sell a month and the kind of revenue you make, the fees that they're selling you compared to what you're going to be paying in person for foot traffic is normally it's a lot less. Let's be honest here, the traffic that comes to Etsy is quality traffic. Those are buyers, they're ready to buy, they're looking for something. I hope that helps a little bit with the breakdown. Give me a follow, drop a comment, let's talk about it. Until next time, peace.